To understand why companies in so many different industries are choosing Ignition, I'll hit the main benefits of Ignition as your digital transformation platform here, and the benefits of making inductive automation a partner really in your digital transformation journey. As I mentioned, I've worked with hundreds of companies on their different journeys over the years, and we are happy to work with folks directly and work with integrators as well to help make those things happen, provide advice, and really be a partner inside this space. Ignition is very different from a lot of other solutions that are on the market. As we mentioned, it decouples those intelligent devices from applications. IIoT can be built from the ground up inside the Ignition platform, but also using open standards. Don't have the proprietary lock-in that you might have with other platforms. You don't stuck with a certain set of technologies. You have open standards that anything can plug into. And it's easy to build those robust applications that were mentioned before. Ignition has a real strong focus on security. So we have everything from inside our organization. We have secure development training for our developers. We have industry-leading encryption support. So same things that you use for signing into your bank account, we support those same technologies. Also, the most modern technologies that might have two-step verification that tie in with different identity providers, as they're called. We have support for that across the board. We also have something called Inductive University. This is a website that's available that allows folks to log in and go through. It's 100% free. There are free videos that are part of this. Users pass online challenges to earn Ignition credentials, and we also offer a certification program for people to earn core or gold certifications. All of this with Inductive University is really in an effort to help the business and help the industry by providing both software platforms and really the knowledge to help them turn their data into actions and their ideas into innovations. So Eric and Arlen, do you have any thoughts about Ignition's benefit to share here? And maybe we'll start with you, with Arlen, with you this time.
So again, Kevin, from my perspective, and again, CirrusLink has worked with Inductive on a lot of these solutions that you're talking about. And it's that notion of Ignition as a platform, is that notion that you can leverage the tools on that platform and you can come up with just about any solution. I'm always, it's incredulous to see all of the different applications in the markets that we're in. And every day we get another one, we're going, oh my gosh, I didn't realize, if you do this, you can do this and you can do this. So it's just understanding how to leverage Ignition as a tool and start on your digital transformation journey. Just fix that one problem and start going from there.
Thanks. Eric, over to you.
Yeah, as I said earlier, I really like it for both the depth of the capabilities and a lot of the things that you can do right out of the box, as well as the accessibility. I mean, you can download the Ignition trial and run it in a 2-hour window and feel some things out and get off the ground running quickly, and then continue to expand from there.
Great. And just so we can get to some Q&A, I'll go ahead and wrap up here, and then we'll be able to answer some of the questions that have come in over time. If you have a question you've been sitting on, go ahead and type that in, and we'll see if we can get to it. So to wrap up our message this morning here, Ignition really is an unlimited platform for really true digital transformation. It connects processes, people, and programs, like we talked about earlier, by facilitating free flow of information across your organization. It solves data problems that block innovation, gives you the tools to access more of your OT data and bring it together with your IT data. It empowers digital transformation through data collection, data modeling, publication and subscription, industrial and business applications, analytics, and machine learning. And Ignition also connects you to a whole ecosystem of other software solutions and hardware solutions and services to help you navigate your digital transformation journey.